Mr. Rieger. Just going to show you a little bit about what class with me on this online learning adventure is going to be like. So, I have this is set up. It's a test class just for me to show what this kind of looks like without actually messing up your real classes. But what you're going to do is you're going to be signed into your Google account, and you can go to this Google Apps window here, and you should be able to find Google Classroom in one of the apps. So you can go ahead and click on that. That should take you to the Google Classroom. And you should be able to see a list of the classes you have. You're going to pick My Class. Of course, yours will be called Geometry or Pre-Algebra or something like that. This stream is going to show you where a bunch of stuff is that I've posted. But if you go to classwork, that's really where you're going to see what you need to see. You can see here I have March 23rd, and I have this set up for the work for March 23rd, which is a Monday. You're going to see I already have some topics set up maybe for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, but I won't have the stuff posted yet. Some of the stuff is going to be posted later. I have it scheduled to post so that you don't try to do it all in one day. So, I'm going to go ahead and click on this video on area of a triangle. It's the first thing on Monday, so that's what I'm going to click on. And then I'll click on this, and then you'll see that there's this 3-minute long video.
So in this video,
usually I'll show you a video of myself talking, but here's a video, and it's all about finding the area of a triangle. So they show me the area
So here we have a right triangle with one side.
And the guy's explaining to me how to figure out what the base and the height is. And if I scroll through, you can see that he actually has given me one exact problem laid out and explains even why we have meters squared as our answer unit, because meters times meters is meters squared. At the beginning of the time, he shows us that the base here is the bottom and the height here is going to be the length from the bottom to the top. So this is a video that explains the basic concept of the lesson. So once we're done with our video, I'm going to go ahead and shrink that back down. I can push this back arrow to get back. I watched the video. Now I'm going to go to area of a triangle check-in problems. And this will say, after you've watched the video, try some problems 1 to 3 on your book. Spend only 3 to 5 minutes. If you're having trouble, rewatch the video, look over your notes, try them again. The idea here is you get a chance to try right then and there after watching the video. So, the video is going to show you how to do some of the skills you're going to be asked to do. I'm hoping to break these classes up into little chunks. Watch a little video, try it a little bit. Watch a little video, try it a little bit. Those videos are going to be up there for you to watch over and over and over again as many times as you need, so you can. Then you're going to get some homework assignments. So, after you do video check-in, video activity, you'll go to your homework assignment, and it'll say something like, for homework, work on page 124 of your textbook. Now, for some of your other classes, you're going to have some questions you're going to have to respond to, but in math we're still going to go with some daily homework. So you might have some online work from IXL, which I'll explain more later, or you might have some textbook work. So here I say work on page 124 of your textbook, work out problems 1 through 11, which is a totally made up assignment. So I have that assignment made up completely. There's no textbook that we have that has area of a triangle on page 124. But I can go over here to view assignment. By the way, I'm looking at this as a student, not as a teacher. So I come over here and I see, okay, I can view this, and it says attach a picture of your completed work. Now, as a diligent student, I've already done this work, and I've taken a picture with the camera on my phone or a camera on my device. So now I'm going to go to add or create here, and I'm going to add the file from my device. I'm going to go to, I can select files from my device, and I have it right on my desktop. So I'm going to go to desktop, and I'm going to go to my screenshot, and I'm going to choose, and I'm going to upload. Now that is uploading the image that I just have. This is my homework image, and I can turn it in. Turn in your work. Yes, turn that in, please. Now, I just submitted work. I can unsubmit it, which wouldn't be wise unless you submitted the wrong thing, and I can add a private comment. So I can write to Teacher Mr. Rieger, I tried my best on these. Please let me know what I can do better. So I'm going to send that. That's a private comment. Only my teacher and I can see these comments. They're private between me and my teacher. Now, if you want to see what I submitted, I'll go ahead and open that file for you. And you can see that this homework wasn't just answers. It was, here is the problem, here's my formula, here's how I plugged in the numbers, here's the math I did, here's my final answer. That's how good math is organized, and that's what I'd like to see in your pictures. So, it was only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 problems, but it took some while to organize the information and to show that I've done a good job on this homework. So, you need to really show me what you're doing and why you're doing it. That's going to be really important so I can see where your mistakes are. I am going to talk through the homework on some videos and show you how I would organize it. You can ask me questions during the office hours that are 10:15 to 11 o'clock each weekday morning. So there are lots of ways to communicate with me, but I want to show you how I want you to submit things to me. I will get a thing saying that you've submitted your homework, and then I can go ahead and grade it. So let me know if you have any questions. Email me or show up at the office hours from Google Hangouts, or go ahead and private comment me. Okay, that's the end of this video, and good luck.